We're checking out a 2 BHK Sumit apartments, a glorious tower which has been built for a long time and it's been standing tall and erect. We're checking out a higher floor apartment, 2 apartments per floor, and we've got open to sky terrace as well for members, residents. This is the inside premises, and we have a garden as well, a little garden for you to relax, chill out, unwind, and breathe in some fresh air. But this is what it is. Let's go and have a look. This is the rear side of the building, but what a glorious structure and a great apartment. We're going to see higher floor, open from all sides. We're neighbors to all these buildings around Altamount Road, Carmichael Road as well. Let's go and have a look. You got open and stilt parking in there. We're seeing a 2-bedroom apartment. As we enter, we got storage space here for your shoe rack. Old fashioned, but you can design it as per your vision and your style and paint your own brush on this canvas, because it's your beautiful space. As you can see, that's your kitchen out here. Good space here as well. You got a dining, but open from both the sides. We enter from there and have a look. Higher floor apartment. This is Sumit Apartments, Carmichael Road or Altamount Road, whatever you want to call, but we are the neighbors to Imperial Heights and other tall standing structures. That's a gorgeous living because it's got so much light coming in. Hawa Ujas, that's what it is. Open from this side as well. Bit of a sea view as we see in the distance, and a lot of greenery. Absolutely, you are neighbors to these guys as well, Lodha Altamount and Antilia. What a space this is. Outstanding. So this is the way it has been for a long time. Let's open this up, and then we see attached bathroom in both the bedrooms. A little pocket balcony which is used for storage, but space again. Got one parking as well. We came in from there. Superb space everywhere. Mumbai is changing. The landscape of real estate is changed. Storage or a little pocket balcony, whatever you want to call it. And then this way as well, we check out the other room, the bedroom, which is ensuite, and again open from this side. Nathani Heights. From here you can see an Imperial Towers. Superb and splendid. So advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this Sumit apartment, Altamount Road, holla at me, guys. This is a 2-bedroom, cozy, sweet and simple.